Students, our next topic is data transmission media. What is data transmission media? You know that medium means it's a way to transfer something. The plural form of medium is media. That means different mediums are used. Okay, different mediums are called media. So data transmission media means it's a medium used for transmitting data between the connected devices in a network. Data transmission media means a medium used for transmitting what? Data. Transmitting means sending and receiving. Sending data between the devices connected on the network or the connected devices on the network. Okay. There are two types of media. They are guided media and unguided media. What are they? Guided and unguided media. So there are two types of data transmission media. They are guided and unguided. What is guided media? Guided media itself means wired media. That means it uses wires or cables for connecting devices on the network. So there is a physical path between the communicating devices in a network. That path is a wire or cable. This guided media is used for small LANs. What is LAN? Local area networks that connect computers and other devices in a residence or building or a campus. Okay. So such LANs uses guided media. Okay. And there are also different types of guided media or wired media. That means different types of cables are there. The first one is twisted pair cable, second one coaxial cable, and third one is fiber optic cable. You are already familiar with that name, fiber optic cable. Where we have seen that? Yes, in the metropolitan area network. In MAN, we can use fiber optic cables for high-speed data transfer or high-speed data transmission. We can use fiber optic cables. In which network? Metropolitan area network. Yes. Then we can look at each of these cables in detail. Okay, so different types of guided media are there. Twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. What do you mean by guided media? It is also called wired media. That means there is a physical path between the devices connected in a network. This path means wires or cables. So first one is twisted pair cable. What is twisted pair cable? There are two identical thick copper wires. Two identical means the same type of wires. Thick copper wires. നല്ല കട്ടിയുള്ള ചെമ്പ് കമ്പികൾ. Thick copper wires that are insulated and twisted around each other. Insulated. What is the insulation there? A protective cover is there. That copper wires are covered with a plastic material. That is what mean by insulated and twisted around each other. What means? You can see in the picture, each pair of wires are twisted. Why this twisting? Because this twisting of wires helps to minimize the interference from other twisted pairs in the cable. Interference means എന്താണ് ഇടപെടുക. Okay, then interference means there is a chance of entering of signals passing through one pair of wires to other pair of wires. There is a chance of entering signals from one wire to another wire. So this twisting helps to minimize that chance of entering signals from one wire to another wire. That is called interference. So twisting minimizes interference from other twisted pairs of cable. Then these are, you have already seen such twisted pair cables in telephone network. You have already seen LAN phone telephone networks, isn't it? So in that network, telephone systems use these twisted pair cables. Okay. So these cables are much cheaper. Through these telephone cables, we can transfer data. That means we can connect devices on a network through this telephone network or through these twisted pair cables. You also know that at your home also there will be internet connection from telephone systems, isn't it? So how do they do this? Telephone systems or telephone network contain cheaper twisted pair cables that can carry data through the network. So that is a transmission medium. Data transmission medium. Twisted pair cables used in telephone network are data transmission medium. So look at the next cable, that is coaxial cable. You have already seen such cables. Look at the picture. Such cables are used commonly in cable TV networks. You have already seen such cables are connected to the set-top box at your home. So these cables are called coaxial cables. These are also solid copper wires, solid or strong copper wires insulated with a plastic-like material. So they have a protective cover that's a plastic-like material. Here also we use copper wire. Around the copper wire there is a copper mesh. You can see in the picture. The inner portion is the copper wire. Around the copper wire there is a copper mesh. Again, around the copper mesh there is a final protective cover that is shown in the black color. Okay, then these cables, coaxial cables, are very strong and flexible. Very strong and flexible, and they have less interference than twisted pair cables. These pairs or these coaxial cables can carry more data than twisted pair cables. More data at a time, it can carry large amount of data than twisted pair cables. So these are better than twisted pair cables. You will already have internet connection taken from cable TV networks, isn't it? So these cables can be used for accessing data through the network by connecting the devices on the network using these cables. So this is also a guided media or data transmission medium. Next is fiber optic cables. These are used in metropolitan area network or MAN. Here, fiber optic cables contain thin glass fibers. You know glass material? Yes, it contains thin glass fibers that can carry data in which form? In the form of visible light. In which form data is carried through these cables? In the form of light. It contains glass fibers and it carries the data in the form of light. Which cables? Fiber optic cables. It contains very narrow strand of glass inside it. So the center portion is a narrow strand of glass. It is called core. C-O-R-E, core. This core is covered by another layer of glass that is called cladding. That layer of glass is called cladding. Core is covered by a layer of glass called the cladding. Again, this cladding is covered by a plastic coating called jacket. Cladding is covered by another plastic coating. That plastic coating is called jacket. So the inner portion is, or the central portion is core. Then around the core there is a cladding. Around the cladding there is a jacket. The final plastic coating shown in the picture. These optical fibers are very expensive. Very expensive. They are much thinner and lighter than other cables. That means other cables. Which are the other cables? Twisted pair and coaxial cables. So these fiber optic cables are thinner and lighter than other cables. These fiber optic cables can transmit data at high speed. Why they are so fast? Because it passes data in the form of light. Light can pass through the medium very fast, pass through the glass very fast. So the data is transmitted at high speed. So these cables are used to transmit data or signals over much longer distances. Okay. So which medium or which cables are used in telephone systems? Twisted pair cables. Which cables provide a high speed data transmission? Yes, fiber optic cables. Which are the cables that are used in cable TV networks? Yes, coaxial cables. Which of these cables contain glass fibers? Yes, fiber optic cables. Which of this medium transmits data in the form of light? Yes, that also fiber optic cables. So these are the three types of guided media. Three different guided media: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable.